Hey IG Live, this is JP, aka your sister's future husband. And I had to come on here. I just came back from the orthodontist. I'm getting braces. And I'm sitting here in the parking lot of the Popeyes Chicken about to eat a whole bunch of lunch I'm not technically allowed to eat. And I'm thinking about this show I seen in the waiting room with the orthodontist. It's called Dead Weight. And it's about a twin and his twin, but they ain't no normal twins. They're messed up twins. They're connected at the ass. And so I'm sitting here about to eat my food. I'm picturing another me attached to my ass. Picture that. You're welcome.